In Tolkien's mythology, the Palantir were ancient stones of foresight. Hold one, and you could see across vast distances into enemy territories, through time, into the minds of men. Nobody thought to build them. Then, in 2003, a Silicon Valley investor named Peter Thiel did exactly that. Not with magic, with mathematics, with data. And right now, there exists an artificial intelligence system so powerful that it has built a complete psychological profile on most of the people watching this video. You can't audit it, you can't see it. And if you're flagged by it, you won't know why. This is the story of Palantir Technologies. September 12, 2001, the intelligence community had a catastrophic realization. They possessed the data to stop the attacks. Fragments existed in military service, CIA databases, NSA archives, financial records, flight school enrollments, wire transfers, visa applications. But these systems didn't talk to each other. The data was there, the connections weren't. This is what the intelligence world called the stovepipe problem: critical information locked in separate silos, never crossing paths. A startup called Palantir Technologies emerged from this wreckage. Founded by Peter Thiel, Alex Karp, and Stephen Cohen. The company took a technology Thiel had originally built for PayPal's fraud detection algorithms designed to spot hidden patterns in financial chaos and weaponized it for a different target: terrorists. Imagine millions of puzzle pieces scattered across the ocean floor. Most detectives drown looking for them. Palantir built a machine that doesn't just find the pieces, it assembles the picture you didn't know existed. Palantir received early funding from In-Q-Tel, the CIA's venture capital firm. From day one, the company was part of the intelligence apparatus. Rumors circulated that Palantir played a role in locating bin Laden in Abbottabad by tracing financial transactions and human networks. Whether that's true remains classified, but the narrative was set. Palantir could see what others couldn't. By 2008, Palantir had bifurcated into two distinct platforms. Gotham, named after Batman's surveillance infrastructure, was the military and counter-terrorism tool. It ran inside NSA data centers, integrated into drone strike protocols. Gotham let operators assemble intelligence from dozens of classified databases in real time. Want to track a suspect through financial records, cross-reference his phone contacts, pull his medical history, and see which masks he visited via facial recognition. Gotham could do that in seconds. Then came Foundry, the commercial version. Designed for corporations, governments, and police departments. Foundry took the same algorithmic spine as Gotham, but pointed it at civilian infrastructure, credit card transactions, license plate readers, medical databases, employment records, voter rolls. Both systems operated on the same principle: total information integration. Find the hidden connections, map the network. Everyone is a node. In June 2013, Edward Snowden leaked the entire surveillance apparatus. Buried inside those files, the NSA had integrated Palantir into its most secretive operations. Palantir's database was directly wired into the NSA's Xcore system, the tool that intercepted, stored, and analyzed the global internet. Every email you sent, every search you performed, every video you watched, all flowing into Palantir's infrastructure. While Snowden's revelations focused on foreign surveillance, immigration and customs enforcement deployed Palantir Foundry into American cities. It cross-referenced driver's license photos with visa databases, scraped social media, and mapped entire family networks. Between 2007 and 2017, Palantir helped ICE identify and deport an estimated 200,000 people. The algorithm didn't distinguish, it saw networks. Then came AIP, artificial intelligence platform. Palantir integrated large language models directly into military command centers. Imagine a general pulling up a chat window on his laptop, asking his AI assistant, "Who should I buy?" The algorithm provides options, ranked by confidence scores. In Los Angeles in 2015, the LAPD deployed Palantir for predictive policing. The sales pitch was, "We can predict where crimes will happen, but you don't predict crime." What Palantir actually did was predict where police would go. It took historical crime data and generated red zones, neighborhoods flagged for aggressive enforcement. Because those neighborhoods were already disproportionately policed, the historical data was already skewed. Feed bias into an algorithm, and it amplifies into certainty. The system identified individuals within those zones and added them to a hot list. They were preemptively targeted before committing any crime. This is Bentham's panopticon, a digital watchtower that is constant and invisible. In a 2010 interview, Alex Karp, Palantir's CEO, said, "If you want safety, you give up privacy. You can't have both. We've made the choice as a society." But there was no referendum. Instead, a technology was built in classified rooms and woven into daily life. Every major tech company, Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, has integrated similar data fusion engines. The seeing stones are everywhere, they're just not called Palantir anymore. Every surveillance state in history has promised safety and delivered oppression instead. There's something Palantir's architects never anticipated. Once you know the eye is there, you can't pretend it isn't. The question isn't whether we can stop Palantir. The question is whether we can remain human in a civilization that treats humans as data points. Somewhere in a classified facility, Palantir algorithms are running right now. Building profiles, connecting dots, assembling a picture of the world. The real mystery isn't what Palantir knows about you, it's what it's going to do with it.